Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to activate Uber deactivated account in 2025. First of all, I will just open my Safari and I will just search on Google Uber deactivated account appeal. So if I just scroll down, so the first one link help.uber.com. Appeal process, my account has been deactivated for driving or delivering. So I want to just tap on it. So here is the appeal process. So, if you believe your account has been incorrectly deactivated or requires a second review, so please submit a request in the section below. Please provide information outlining why you believe your account should be reviewed, and we will reach out to you with the final decision within 3 working days. So just tap on it, log in to get help, and after this you will be just enter your email or password and you will be just logged in, and you will be just submit your review documents correctly, and within 3 days it will be just reactivated your account easily. So that's it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.